Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I started something several weeks ago and wanted to keep it rolling but could not. I had an injury, an accident, and anyway, we're not going to go into that. We're going to pick up today where we left off. Hot Potato Happy Meal. Yes, indeed, there are more and they are going out. And this is how it works. Listen up. This is for a subscriber on my channel. Who you are, I don't know yet. You have to leave a comment below saying that you would like to participate in Hot Potato Happy Meal with the hashtag so that we can follow this on YouTube as it goes from house to house. And this is how it works. These are the items that the Hot Potato Happy Meal has in it. It will also have an envelope. Don't seal this when you send it, just fold it over. Inside, it has an envelope. It says, Hot Potato Happy Meal. Be sure and use that hashtag in the video that you make when you open your Hot Potato Happy Meal at your house and pick out one or two items out of the Hot Potato Happy Meal. You then read the directions. Like any game, it has directions. If you have any questions, it's in here. Sign your name. You'll see our name up top, Dolls Rescued Darren and Marna. You'll put your name next, right below. Print, so that people can easily read it, although my handwriting when I print is awful, sorry. And what they'll do is they'll open the Hot Potato Happy Meal and they will read where it has been before it came to their house. Each item will be packaged and sealed. You can use a Ziploc and then tape it shut, and you'll put your name on it. Like this is for a Barbie. This dress or the skirt is for a Barbie doll, and it's from Dolls Rescued. And if they choose that, they read your channel name. So what you're going to get is a shout out every time this goes to another person. And you pick out one or two items, but you have to replace them. And you have to replace them with a $5 value or more. It can be more, not a problem. It just can't be less. You want it to be worth sending, and you want people to be excited, and you want them to choose your item because you get another shout out because they'll say who it's from. Then you pack it all back up. And in your own comments on your own video that you make of showing yourself opening your Hot Potato Happy Meal, people will comment below, like I'm asking you to do today, who would like to receive the Hot Potato Happy Meal. It has to be a fast-moving thing. So if you're contacted and I say to you, hey, you were chosen to receive the Hot Potato Happy Meal, right then, figure out what you will replace inside the Hot Potato Happy Meal. It needs to be a doll item. These are going to stay in the doll community. It can be anything from a Polly Pocket or smaller to a 36-inch Barbie or Patty Play Pal or Reborn. Barbie, any doll at all. But if it's folded like this one is, and I noticed I didn't do that, I need to add to this that this is for an 18-inch doll, and it has little shoes to go with it. How cute is that? You can buy it or make it. Doesn't matter. But if you make it, be generous. It's going to be fun. And then we can go to the hashtag in the search engine and put in Hot Potato Happy Meal and follow them and watch all of the videos. It's really going to be fun. So, who's in? Who would like to receive the number 3 Hot Potato Happy Meal? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.